In today's video, I'll teach you how you can earn money inside Axie Infinity. What are the things that you need to know? Okay, what are the types of things that you can also get inside Axie Infinity? So let's just jump right into it. So as you can see here into the dashboard right here, there is a quest, which of course, if you complete this one, you can earn 50 SLP every day just for the daily quest. Okay. So what you just need to do here is, of course, win 5 arena matches, complete at least 10 adventure mode levels, which is right here. You win 10 of this, okay? You win this adventure level, you win 5 of this arena, and you just daily check in and you're going to get 50 SLP. So how much actually does it make for you? So um, let's just go here. SLP Small Love Potion. So currently one SLP is around 0.2, okay, $0.2, which is really good. So if it is 0.2 and you're getting 50, you're earning instantly $10 just by completing this daily quest. Okay, just that's a easy $10 here. And of course, if you're going to finish the adventure part right here, as you can see, there's a hundred SLP available to get into the adventure. So what you just need to do here is, of course, you just need to play and repeat this one, and then you will get a specific amount of SLP every time you're playing it. So let's compute it again. Okay, so if we get that quota right here, we're going to earn up to $20. So just by playing this game, you can actually earn $30 per day. If if we can assume that this small love potion is stuck into this price right here, because as you can see, it is pretty much pumping. But last night it was around 0.1, 0.05 or something. So it's really low before, but right now it is increasing, and it's really doing great. So for you, of course, to play the adventure, one Axis scholar told me that if you are starting into the low level, you should actually start with you should start playing this, especially if you are having like this kind of level, and then just play this one. Okay, so I'm going to show you, okay, how actually you can earn SLP. So let me just play a few more rounds here. Okay, so we're just going to finish this one. Okay, so we're doing this, and boom, he's dead. Okay, so this is a card game, as you can see here. They're taking turns. You need to you need to play your cards really well, of course, and of course just succeeding into this game, actually just winning, just playing this game for like hours can actually give you a pretty much a stable amount of money that you can earn, which is of course really cool if you actually like that idea. And I mean, it's really easy. Okay, so I'm just going to finish this game for you guys so that you can see, okay, how much you can actually earn, even if you are repeating some completed quests. So let's just click this one, and then I think that's it for the end term. So this is like, so as you can see here, there is, you see this one, this is the first enemy, then this is the last. So what do I mean by here? Okay, so you need to finish this set of rounds right here. So as you can see here, I'm on the second wave. Okay, actually it's a wave. So I finished the first wave, I need to finish the second wave. Some of the rounds has 3 waves, so there's like a middle circle right here, it's a point. And it's really great because you actually see what are your progress. Okay, how many monsters you are left to kill. Okay, so currently I'm I'm about to finish this adventure game. So let's just continue. Okay, and I think that's this one. Okay, So you need to be aware, of course, of the combos when you're playing this game, because I think not really. Most of the axes here has a really great combos which you actually need to do, so that you can pretty much kill the. It makes it easier for you to kill these monsters right here. So as you can see here, I'm about to finish this game. So let's just, can you just wait for like few more seconds? Okay, this will be this will end soon. Okay, so there's another round right here. He do, oh my god, he keeps on healing. I need to kill that guy. Okay, so let's do this. He keeps on healing. It's really annoying. Okay, I think this one is it's finished now. So as you can see, there's a victory here. You're going to earn an XP as well by playing as long as you have an energy, and then you're getting small love potion. As you can see here, I got 2 small love potions, which is worth around $0.4 just by finishing the game. So it's really good. I still have 98 SLPs that I could probably earn in the next future games that I'm going to play this one. So what you just need to do is, of course, just repeat this one. Okay, hone your axes. If it is possible, you can actually maximize this one to the highest level, and then you can probably go to the arena right here. And of course, it is also really important to be familiarized about your axes. So you need to know actually what are the best combos for this axis. So as you can see here, you can check the skills into this part right here. Okay, as you can see here, the best combo for this one is, of course, you combo this one with this, you combo with this one with this. So you can have 2 of these, you can have 1 of one, you can have 1 of these, and you can have 2 of this. So it just really plays onto the cards that you are getting per round. So I think that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this one. This is an Axie Infinity beginner's tutorial just made by Crypto Addict right here, and see you on the next video.